Alright, picture this, you've finally decided to take control of your finances. You're ready to dive into investing, build a portfolio, and maybe even achieve some of those long-term financial goals you've been dreaming about. You've heard about M1 Finance, this platform that seems to blend automated investing with personalized control. Sounds perfect, right? But then the question hits you, the one that can make or break your plans: how much money do I actually need to get started? Seriously, how frustrating is it when you find a promising investment platform, only to discover you need a small fortune to even open an account? It's like finding a delicious-looking cake, but realizing you need to buy the entire bakery just to get a slice. That's why we're here today. We're going to break down the nitty-gritty of M1 Finance's minimum deposit requirements, so you can stop guessing and start planning. Let's be honest, the world of investing can feel like a maze, especially for beginners. There's jargon, complex strategies, and the constant fear of making a wrong move. And on top of all that, you have the barrier to entry, the financial hurdle you need to clear just to participate. That's why platforms like M1 Finance, which aim to democratize investing, are so appealing. They promise to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial background. But what does accessible really mean? Does it mean you need thousands of dollars? Hundreds? Or can you start with just a few bucks? That's the question we're going to answer today, and we're going to do it in a way that's clear, concise, and easy to understand. Before we dive into the specific numbers, let's take a quick look at what M1 Finance actually is. For those who are new to the platform, M1 Finance is a financial super app that combines features like automated investing, borrowing, and spending into one seamless experience. It's known for its pies, customizable portfolios that allow you to allocate your investments across different stocks, ETFs, and even crypto, depending on the features available. The beauty of M1 Finance lies in its automation. You can set up your investment strategy once, and the platform will automatically rebalance your portfolio and invest your funds according to your predefined allocations. This means you don't have to constantly monitor the market or make frequent trades. It's designed to be a set-it-and-forget-it approach to investing, which is perfect for those who want to build wealth passively. Now, let's get down to the brass tacks, the minimum deposit. This is where things get interesting, and it's where many people get tripped up. The minimum deposit requirement for M1 Finance depends on the type of account you're opening. For a standard individual taxable brokerage account, the minimum deposit is $100. This means you need at least $100 to open your account and start investing. It's a relatively low barrier to entry, especially compared to some traditional brokerage firms that require significantly higher minimums. But here's where it gets a bit more nuanced. If you're looking to open a retirement account, such as an IRA, individual retirement account, the minimum deposit is $500. This applies to both traditional and Roth IRAs. The higher minimum for retirement accounts is common across many platforms, as these accounts are designed for long-term savings and often involve more complex tax considerations. So, to recap, $100 for a taxable brokerage account and $500 for a retirement account. Now, why is this important? Well, it's about more than just having the initial funds. It's about understanding the implications of these minimums on your overall investment strategy. For example, if you're starting with just $100, you need to be mindful of the fees associated with investing. While M1 Finance is known for its low-cost structure, it's important to understand any potential fees that might apply to your account. Also, consider the impact of diversification. With a smaller initial investment, it might be more challenging to build a truly diversified portfolio. Diversification is key to managing risk, so it's something you need to keep in mind as you start your investment journey. Another thing to keep in mind is the impact of recurring investments. M1 Finance allows you to set up automatic deposits, which can be a powerful tool for building wealth over time. Even if you start with the minimum deposit, consistent contributions can make a significant difference in the long run. Think of it like this: $100 might seem like a small amount, but if you consistently invest that amount every month or even every week, you'll be amazed at how quickly it can grow. The power of compounding is real, and it works best when you're consistent. Now, let's address a common concern. What if I don't have $100 or $500? It's a valid question, and it's one that many people face. If you're struggling to meet the minimum deposit requirements, don't despair. There are still ways to get started with investing. One option is to start small. Look for ways to cut back on expenses and save a little bit of money each week or each month. Even saving $25 or $50 can make a difference over time. Another option is to explore other investment platforms that might have lower minimums or even no minimums at all. While M1 Finance is a great platform, it's not the only one out there. Do your research and find a platform that aligns with your financial situation and investment goals. And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building wealth over the long term, and it's okay to start small. The most important thing is to get started and to be consistent. Now, let's talk about M1 Plus. This is their premium subscription service. M1 Plus offers additional features and benefits, such as access to a lower interest rate on M1 Borrow and higher APY on M1 Spend. While M1 Plus doesn't change the minimum deposit requirements for opening an account, it does add another layer of consideration for those looking to maximize their investment potential. If you are considering M1 Plus, you'll need to factor in the cost of the subscription, which is a recurring fee. You'll want to weigh the benefits of M1 Plus against the cost to determine if it's a worthwhile investment for you. For many, the standard M1 Finance account will be sufficient. The $100 minimum for a taxable brokerage account is a reasonable starting point, and the platform's automation and customization features make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced investors. In summary, the minimum deposit for M1 Finance is $100 for a taxable brokerage account and $500 for a retirement account. It's important to understand these requirements and to consider their implications on your investment strategy. Remember, investing is a journey, and it's okay to start small. The most important thing is to get started and to be consistent. With M1 Finance, you can build a diversified portfolio, automate your investments, and achieve your financial goals. Don't let the thought of needing a large sum of money stop you. Start where you are, invest what you can, and let the power of compounding work its magic. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.